Every day, we go back to our homes. We lock the doors, we feel safe in our beds. But there is one home waiting for all of us, a home with no windows, no doors, and no light. It is the grave. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The grave is the first stage of the hereafter. On that first night, your family will leave you. Your wealth will stay behind. Your friends will go home. You will be completely alone. But wait, you are not actually alone. Something will enter your grave with you. If you were good, it will appear as a beautiful companion, comforting you until Judgment Day. If you were heedless, well, it will be your own deeds taking a form you do not want to see." So ask yourself tonight, what are you sending ahead to your new home? Are you sending light, or are you sending darkness? The Quran you read, the charity you gave, the kindness you showed, they are packing your bags right now. Don't let death surprise you. Prepare for the meeting with your Lord. Because when you meet Him pleased, the grave becomes a garden from the gardens of paradise. May Allah make our graves wide and full of light. Ameen.